Nigga, I know you from my life, I'm gonna miss you.
Do we say my nigga in this class? Oh, that's what nigga says. Niggas. You're not a nigga, you a girl. Girls talk like friendly, not like, oh my nigga, you wanna go to the store with me? No, that's what we don't say in that class. And don't laugh because this is not your class. And I gave you a B plus. So if you want him in your test, like you talking to a friend, oh my nigga, you wanna come after school with me to get lunch? No, you say that.
What I say?
You'll be like, hey, you wanna come to my house like that? You'll be like, act like a girl, talk like a girl, not like a nigga. And tell your friend not to do that again. If I see that in your book, then it's gonna be a problem. Okay?
Alright.
So you better watch out because I see this every morning, and your mom writes to me.
Really?
And you write
Say
to me.
cheese.